Hey queens, it's your girl Nene, aka Queendom Mindset. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm giving you guys some more Amazon headband wigs that are $25 and under. Some of them are even as low as $13. And I'm also showing you some more Amazon must-haves like scarves and accessories that go along with them as low as $3. So you guys, I am so excited to provide this haul for you. I do want to say thank you guys for supporting my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you join the Queendom. And if you are already subscribed, shout out to you, girl. Please turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified of all my new videos, because a lot of these wigs sell out and I would hate for you to miss out. So without further ado, let's get this wig review poppin', poppin', poppin'. Yes. Okay, I know y'all are enjoying this video and I thank you for watching, girl, but I gotta let you know that I forgot to let you know that I'm going to be trying this puff ponytail headband wig from Amazon as well. So we're trying a couple of different styles, non-conventional styles, you guys. All of these looks, I'm just gonna give you a little spoiler, they turn out to be so cute. Okay, I had to do a little finessing though, so don't run and buy it until you watch and see how I threw this wig and made it do what it do. Okay, again, thank y'all for watching, and I apologize for the slight difference in the sound. That does clear up in a few seconds, so bear with me, you guys. Love you guys, and okay, I'm gone. Let's get back to the video. Okay, queens, like I said, I'm going to be giving you guys 4 new Amazon headband wigs, so let's go ahead and jump into it. So, y'all, I have the first one on now, and I'm so excited to talk about it because this is a style that you guys really, really liked. I've already reviewed one like this, but there's a big difference, and we're going to talk about that in this video. All the products I'm going to be showing you guys are from Amazon, and I will have the links to all of them in my description so you guys can go and check them out. You guys know I do have an influencer page with Amazon as well, and I update it quite often, so if you're looking for a product, make sure you guys check my Amazon page. The link is in the description, and then I will also have the links to all of these separately listed in the description just for you. Okay, so you guys, this is a Havana Twist Bun Wig. I did review one similar to this with a black headband about a month ago, and you guys over here and over on Instagram showed me so much love. So shout out to you guys. I have a reel over there that is currently performing pretty well, and people seem to really like the style. So thank you guys for all your love and support. But pump the brakes, sis. Y'all, I went browsing on Amazon the other day and I found another vendor that has this Havana Twist Bun. And if you didn't notice, this one is looking a little bit different, just a little bit, than the first one that I tried. Do you see the difference? So there is a big difference in this wig, you guys. Actually, there's 2 differences. So the first difference is that this does not come with a black headband, sis. This comes with a print headband, and it's kind of like looking like they're trying to mimic African print. It's not the one that I have on right now, but this is actually a scarf from Amazon that I decided to wrap the wig with. But we'll get into the scarf later because we need to talk about this wig. But also, I decided to take one of the tricks that I used in my last Amazon headband haul video that featured a braided headband bun wig, which was the sock method to make my Havana Twist bun a little bit more popping. Okay, a little bit more boom, boom, pow. I took a clean black sock. I actually took 2. I used 2 in the braided bun as well, and I just stuffed it right up in this bun to give her some volume. Baby, look how she's sitting. So this scarf I found on Amazon as well, you guys, and y'all know I like the little cute little 90s print, okay, and I just felt like this was giving me like some type of throwback, so I decided to pick this one up. I believe this one was around the $5 range. I absolutely love it. It's really long, and I actually did a reel using this wig and this scarf on Instagram, so if you haven't seen it, make sure you head to my Instagram at Queendom Mindset and check it out. It's kind of like a skit. I've never done a skit before, but that's something I've been wanting to do for a while and just try it out, so definitely show your girl some love if you're feeling generous. Everything about this wig is honestly comfortable. The cap size is comfortable. It comes with a drawstring. I will show you guys the construction. I haven't had any issues with this bun. There are strings in there that's kind of like holding the twist together, but honestly, I love it. I have no complaints whatsoever. I don't feel like this is going to unravel, and I like this one even better than the one with the black band. So come through, Amazon. So you guys, that is it for the first wig. I told you I work real hard on these videos. I can't say it with a straight face. Y'all know I be up here having fun. It is work, but it's fun work, and I really enjoy talking to you guys, especially y'all who are in my premiere chat right now. So if you're in my premiere chat watching this video, premiere with me and chatting with me, shout out to you, sis. Like, y'all don't know how much that means to an influencer, to a creator, to see the people who enjoy our content watch it live with us. It really means a lot. So shout out to you guys. Definitely hit the chat and let me know right now what you think about this Havana Twist Bun and what you think about the pattern that it comes with. And also, ladies, please leave a comment below and let me know what you think about each of these styles, and definitely tell me which one is your favorite. Like I said, these are all from Amazon, and this one I have never tried, and I'm looking at the construction and I'm a little confused. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like. What is this? I'm gonna need y'all to pray over this one, Premiere Chat, because, honey. Yeah, it's me busting up in y'all video again. I wanted to mention, you guys, this wig was only $13, which I think is a really good deal for what we got. I honestly forgot that when I was filming, but yeah, girl, she was only $13, honey, so we can make some work for $13. But anyways, back to the video. I don't know what this is looking like. So, whoo, child. It's a curly unit, but the curls already kind of look, they kind of look a little hurt, but it has that same inside as the inside of the wig cap. There's no combs, and this is like a mauve and pink scarf. So let's just see. Make note. What in the world? Okay, it's supposed to be like a ponytail, not necessarily a just, I thought it was just like free fall hair. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Like, you just throw it on it. I'm gonna show y'all one later, but like that one wig that I got with the African print one from Amazon, that other headband wig with the African print from Amazon, that one was like a free fall. You just throw it on and it just falls wherever. This one is like a ponytail. It's kind of cute. I kind of like it. Yes, no, comment below. Let me know what's good. Hey, you guys, so I finally got this one style. It's basically like a low pony. I think it's cute. I mean, it wouldn't be like my #1 go-to, but shit, I think it's cute, like, to switch it up, because I've been doing a lot of puffs, a lot of like buns. So this is like a nice little low pony. Now, I wonder what this would look like if I wrap this in something else. If y'all want me to come back and wrap it in a different like type of scarf, let me know. But I think it's pretty cute. So this one, like I told y'all, I got a little bit of shedding, girl, so, but I was playing with it a lot more than I was the other one, so keep that in mind. This one, the cap size is very, very comfortable. So if you have like a really big head, I would say go for this one. That was no shade, I was just saying. Hey, could you see yourself getting your workout on? Getting your workout on? Okay, pushing the elliptical. Okay, running on the treadmill. I don't run on the treadmill, but I think this would be a great gym wig. Shout out to the queen who commented on one of my last videos saying that she was going to use these headband wigs for her gym wigs. Oh, this is cute. Y'all see that? Put the bend down a little. Y'all know I'm tall. That's cute. She said she was going to use these headband wigs for her gym wigs. This is definitely a perfect gym wig. Like, if y'all work out or y'all want something when y'all work out and y'all do y'all little aerobics class, this is it. Okay, so you have to sweat out your hair. So you guys, yeah, this is the second wig. We're going to go ahead and get into the third wig, you guys. And the third wig, I hope it's going to be really, really cute. I want to thank you guys so much for continuing to watch this video. Remember, all the links to everything is in the description down below, okay? So you guys can check them out if you are interested. And once again, if you have not liked this video already and you appreciate it, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all your love and your support. And let's go ahead and get into it. So here is the bun wig. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? I don't think you're ready. I'm not ready. Here is the bun wig. It comes with a really thick purple velvet headband. Like really, really thick. This actually came with a rubber band around it, but I have a little idea of something I could do to finesse. Y'all know I'm always trying to put something together, make one and one make two. Okay, so I took the rubber band out. It was literally just out in a rubber band in a ponytail. I just want y'all to see how thick that headband is. When I tried it on initially, I feel like this is going to be like kind of tighter, but it might be good because I think it's going to be like a real good grip on your head. I feel like it's gonna be a real good grip on your head, and you can appreciate that for a wig that doesn't have any combs, okay? But the texture is real nice, kinky, curly. It really actually does look like my natural hair, especially right after washing it and not putting much product on it. And it does come with a drawstring. Now on the inside, it's just a regular, all these look the same inside. All you get is the wig cap. So yeah, let's see what she's gonna do. Now this wig, I'm gonna actually style it with another scarf from Amazon. I know y'all is not tired of these scarves because they are so cute. So this is the scarf that I'm gonna be styling from Amazon. Again, I have done a lot of these scarves. I think this is like my 6th or 7th one. And this one has like vibrant colors, the neon green, the orange, navy blue, the red, like these vibrant colors. I really, really love it. These are super affordable on Amazon. So all this is linked below. Let's go ahead and try the wig on. Okay, queens, I am back. I have styled the ponytail headband wig, and when I tell you, we went on a whole journey, okay, in and out the zoo. That's how I feel with this wig. It took some elbow grease, okay? When I tell you, it took some work, but I really love the way it turned out. It looks so natural. It looks like my real hair. Look at that scalp. Tell me this not growing from my scalp, because I'm not going to believe you. But anyways, let's get to the wig. Let's get professional. So you guys, like I told you, this wig is from Amazon. It comes styled with a ponytail or in a ponytail. Really, girl, it's just a rubber band holding these curls together. I ended up taking that out because it just was not lining up for me. Y'all know I like my ponytails and my buns to be boop, right on the top of my head, okay? So I took that out and I used that knee high again. Yes, I'm talking about the knee high that you put up your leg to wear under your skirt at church so your skin is not out. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. I took me a good old knee high and I put it around my hair, pulled it up, knotted it, and made me a little ponytail holder. Now this is a trick that I do with my actual real natural hair because I'm always popping hair bows, and girl, I don't have time. So this is the final look, you guys. I paired this with a scarf from Amazon. Another scarf from Amazon, girl. This is probably like my 7th one now. Y'all, if you have not purchased one of these scarves yet, honey, you need to get up on the tea. I love this pattern. Y'all know it's the little 90s feel, okay? Little throwback feel. It looks so good. I absolutely love how it turned out. I pulled some of these curls out, and then I pulled some of my curls out from the side. Y'all see my curls? Y'all see them? Y'all see them? They flourishing right now, okay? Pull some of my curls out from the side just so, let me tuck that because that is not, that is not what we're doing. So it can kind of just look like an illusion, like we blending over here, okay? This is my hair and this is my hair too, period. Also, I want to note you guys, with this wig, I didn't get any shedding or tangling issues, which is great. I mean, I have no complaints about this wig, like, do you see me? Let's go ahead and get into the last wig. I'm going to show you the construction, and like I said, this one is like probably the most quality out of all the wigs that I'm showing you today as far as the headband goes. So let's go ahead and get into that. So you guys, this is the last wig, and I want to just let y'all know straight out the bat, this like African print scarf that it comes with is the most quality that I've tried out of all these headband wigs. Now, if you guys have been rocking with me, you know that I did try another African print headband wig, the same like kind of print. They tried to mimic it, you know what I'm saying? But this is way better quality. It's thicker, it feels better, and it looks more realistic. So yeah, this one's way better. So this is what the print looks like. It comes knotted, pre-knotted. Okay, inside you just have the cap. Of course you have the drawstring right here, and the hair is just like a nice thick curly fro. Now the hair is definitely yucky. It's like a kinky curly. It is synthetic, but it's not silky at all, which is great because the other African print that I had given y'all was definitely silky. Okay, there was no hiding that. She was silky. So this one is definitely more of a yucky texture. This is probably going to blend way better with my hair. So I'm going to try this one on, and I'm going to give you the tea. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Because I'm ready. I don't want to take this one off though. She's so cute. Okay, let's get into the last one. Okay, you guys, so I have the wig on my head. I am going to try to do like maybe like a half up, half down. I'm going to take my knee high off of this wig. She done been on 3 wigs today. I know she's like, girl. My trusty, dusty knee high. And I think I'm going to maybe do a half up, half down Or should I just leave it all down? What do y'all think? Half up, half down, or leave it all down? This is not turning out as cute. This is not turning out as cute as I thought it was going to. Hold on. Okay. Don't knock it until we finish. Okay. I could wrap some hair around the knee high so it doesn't show. This is kind of, no. Maybe if it was longer. Maybe if it was longer. But I do want to note, you guys, that these curls are really, really soft. This feels like a good co-wash. Girl, this hair is really, really soft. Let's take it down, because I know y'all probably screaming, girl, if you don't take that knee high off of there. Let me take it down. Okay. Here we go. Much cuter. I think because I'm so tall, you guys, I'm 6'2", if y'all didn't know. I know it's a lot of new people watching this video. I am 6'2", y'all. I'm very, very tall. So sometimes the wigs look really short on me and they're not short. So I decided to go ahead and put her up. I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and talk about the wig. So you guys, I had to put that drawstring on for this one tight, because she was kind of slipping and sliding up here at the top. I wanted some hair out, but I didn't want too much out, but the way I had it, it was sliding. So I decided to go ahead and make sure I put that drawstring in full effect, but it is there, so you have it. You guys, I love this scarf. It's really nice material. It feels good. It looks good. I love the way that it's styled with this knee high up. The hair is very soft to be a synthetic wig, which is something I was so happy about, because girl, y'all know how some of these synthetic wigs do, especially from Amazon, but this one I'm really, really liking. It feels really nice, and it actually mimics my hair the best out of these 4 wigs, except for that ponytail, because that ponytail was hitting. But yes, you guys, I absolutely love this wig. I didn't get any shedding or tangling with this unit. It doesn't feel tight on my head. Like I said, you have the drawstring, so you can adjust it to your head size, and honestly, I absolutely love it. I have no complaints. This looks so good. I hope that you guys will check out my other headband wig reviews. I have a lot of them from Amazon because I really enjoy them. I think they're cute, and I decided to see what they was about, and they turned out being really, really cute. So make sure you guys check out my headband wig playlist. I will place it to the left of me, and you guys can check that out and see which wigs you like before you make your purchase. I've reviewed about maybe like 15 now, 15, 16, maybe 17. So yeah, you guys definitely check that out. And if you're my premiere fan, shout out to you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video with me, this whole video. I really hope you guys are having fun and enjoying these premieres. Before you leave, make sure you let me know what you think about the video and what you think about the wigs. And if you're watching the replay, that is absolutely fine, girl. Comment below and talk to me about these wigs. If you purchased any, make sure you tag me on Instagram when you guys post it, and make sure you let me know below what you thought about them when you got them. I love you, queens, so much. I hope you guys have a great week. You guys are probably going to see this on Sunday, so have a blessed week, ladies. Don't let anybody get you down, and I hope to see you in another video very, very soon. Talk to you, queens, soon. Bye.